What's up everyone, Sharp Effect here. Today is going to be a bit different video than what you're used to on our channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of this capture card over here. But first let me tell you why I'm doing this video and why I felt it's important to do so. So I recently got this bad boy over here, the PS5. And the PS5 or any other next-gen console can output 120 FPS or 4K gameplay at 60 FPS, some games. And my current capture card could only capture 1080p or 4K at 60 FPS or 30 FPS. And even the pass-through, with basically what I'm seeing when I'm playing, could only be maximum at 60 FPS, which is an issue because if my PlayStation could do 120 FPS, why am I limiting myself to 60 FPS? So I did some research, a lot of research actually, and the only one that I could find in the market as of today, which is an external capture card or USB 3.1 powered and not PCIe like the Elgato option for 120 FPS or higher refresh rate. This was the only one that I could find, and it is the AVerMedia Live Gamer Ultra. So like I said, it's going to be an unboxing video today and first thoughts of what we find in this box. And after I use it for a while, a week or two, I'm going to make another video which is a full-on review on what I like about it, what might not be the best, but at the end I'll let you know if you should buy this or not. And this video is mainly for people who are going to get the next gen console, who have one, or they're using a laptop to stream because you can only use USB powered, or if you have another PC that you game on and you have a laptop that you stream on and you want a capture card in between. So let's get into it. Let's open this box and see what we got inside. Alright. So on this box itself, it says 4K HDR pass-through. So it cannot capture HDR, but it could do pass-through at least at 4K. Other things that I could read over here is input-output HDMI 2.0, interface USB 3.1 Type-C. Pass-through resolution is 4K 60 FPS with HDR or 1080p to 40 FPS. But for recording, it can only do 4K 30 FPS or 1080p 120 FPS or anything in between. So what I'm really excited about is 1080p 120 FPS for my PS5. Let's open it over here. Alright, a box in a box. Cool. Alright guys, this is it. It's so small. Wow, this is tiny. I was not expecting it to be like this. Look at it. So, what you can see here is the USB 3.1 Type-C. And on the other side is two HDMI 2.0 ports, one input, one output for pass-through. And I think what I was reading, if it's correct, it has a fan in there. And they said it can be kind of loud, but they said next to a PC or a laptop, it's not loud at all. We'll try it out and we'll let you know what I think, if it is really loud or not. It's so small, the fan, I don't think it's going to be an issue. Let's see what else we got in this box. USB Type-C to Type-A for power and capturing the content. And then an HDMI, I'm guessing 2.0, maybe 2.1, but doesn't even matter. And then we got some cards and the manual. So this was it, guys. all I'm gonna say is I'm really excited to use this, and I think there are other people who are trying to find a solution for the issue that we were getting, which is our capture card limiting us to 60 FPS pass through. Thank you guys for watching. Appreciate it. Like I said, soon we'll get a full-on review letting you know what we think about this guy over here, the AVerMedia Live Gamer Ultra. I got it on Amazon for, I think it's currently right now $250 US dollars as of today. But I got it on sale for like $200, $190. It's cheaper than the Elgato option that you want to get. I don't know how much that was, but what I know is it is cheaper. So hopefully that doesn't mean it's not as good quality. We'll see what's going to happen. Thank you for watching. Appreciate all the support and love. See you guys in the next one.